With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us start with the question. The question says, find the probability distribution of the number of white balls drawn in random draw of 3 balls without replacement from a bag containing 4 white and 6 red balls. So let us say that X is the number of white balls. So it can be either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. So the probability of getting 0 white balls out of the draw of 3 random balls is nothing but all should be red balls, right? So it will be 6C3 divided by 10C3. On simplification, it will give me 1 upon 6. Similarly, when I say that there is only one white ball, it will be nothing but x equals to 1. So there is one white ball, that is 4C1, and there are 2 red balls, so it will be 6C2 divided by 10C3. On simplification, it will give me 1 upon 2. Similarly, when I say there are 2 white balls, so when Px is actually equal to 2, there are 2 white balls, then it must be 4C2 multiplied by 6C1, 2 white balls and 1 red ball divided by 10C3. This is the probability. On simplification, it will give me 3 by 10. And the last one is when there are all the balls are actually white, so it will be actually 4C3 divided by 10C3, and this is nothing but 1 upon 30. So my probability distribution will be something like this. So 0 I have 1 upon 6, 1 I have 1 upon 2, for 2 white balls I have 3 by 10, and for 3 white balls it is 1 by 50. So this is my probability distribution for the number of white balls that can be drawn from a bag containing 4 white and 6 red balls. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.